Hello everyone, and welcome back to Python School. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're a seasoned developer brushing up on the basics, you're in the right place. Today, we illustrate remastering Python dictionaries. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs, perfect for organizing label data like student marks. Let us dive into the code. We start by creating our dictionary using curly braces. Each entry has a key, like Alice, followed by a colon and her score. We separate each pair with a comma. When we print student marks, Python shows us the entire collection. To get a specific value, we use the key inside square brackets. Here, we call for Bob. Notice how Python instantly retrieves his score of 90 without needing to search the whole list. Updating data is simple. If Alice improves her score, we just assign a new value to her key. By setting for Alice to 88, the old value is overwritten immediately. Adding a new student works the same way. We define a new key, David, and assign him a mark of 92. Since David didn't exist before, Python automatically creates this new entry at the end of the dictionary. Finally, to remove a record, we use the del keyword. By targeting Charlie, his entire entry is deleted. As you can see in the final printout, our dictionary is now updated and Charlie has been removed. At last, let's display the entire dictionary using items method. This gives us access to both the student's name and their marks in every loop, allowing for a clean, formatted output. That is how you manage data efficiently using Python dictionaries. They are fast, flexible, and a staple for any developer. If this helped, hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one.